What if I told you that saving $700 could actually cost you hours of your life every single month? Today we're putting 4 of the cheapest stick vacuums on the market head-to-head with the automation powerhouse, the eufy X10 Pro Omni. This isn't just about suction power, it's about control versus convenience, manual effort versus total automation. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which side you're on. Let's start at the bottom of the price ladder, the REECOO lightweight vacuum. At just $57.99, it's incredibly affordable and weighs only 4.32 pounds. For a small apartment or quick cleanups, it gets the job done. But here's the catch, the cord. No matter how light it is, you're always tethered to a wall. You move, unplug, replug, and repeat. Cleaning becomes a routine of constant stops and starts. Now compare that to the eufy X10 Pro Omni. It maps your home using laser navigation and moves completely untethered. No cords, no dragging, no limits. It doesn't follow you around the house. It works without you. Next up is the CHEBIO A-16 cordless vacuum, currently $79.99 after a $50 discount. It offers 40 kilopascals of suction power, an anti-tangle brush, a 180-degree rotating head, and built-in LED lights. It's impressive for the price. But even with all that technology, you're still the one steering it. You're bending, pushing, reaching under furniture, scanning the floor for dust. Meanwhile, the eufy uses intelligent object recognition to detect and avoid over 100 different household items. While you're manually chasing crumbs in the dark, it's cleaning strategically, even when you're not at home. If raw power is your priority, the COTIAR R-11 cordless vacuum at $129.99 delivers serious strength with its 500-watt brushless motor. It handles deep carpets with confidence, but after every deep clean, you still have to empty the dustbin yourself. You still clean the filters, you still handle the maintenance. The eufy handles that too. It empties itself, it washes its own mop pads, it dries them with heated air at 45 degrees Celsius. It's not just cleaning your floors, it's maintaining itself after every run. Finally, we have the LEVOIT LVAC 200, priced at $149.95. It's quiet, refined, and features a 5-stage filtration system that's especially great for pet owners. It might be the best manual cleaning experience in this lineup, but it still cannot solve one problem: mopping. With a stick vacuum, once you finish vacuuming, you either switch attachments or grab a separate mop. That means more time and more effort. The eufy transitions automatically. It lifts its mop pads 12 millimeters the moment it detects carpet, then lowers them again when it returns to hard floors. One seamless cleaning cycle. No switching, no second round, no extra thought. So this comparison is not about saying these budget vacuums are bad. They are excellent tools for smaller spaces or for people who prefer hands-on control. But this is really about time. If you enjoy the ritual of cleaning and don't mind the effort, manual vacuums offer incredible value. But if your goal is to reclaim your time and step into a smarter way of living, automation changes everything. This is not just about cleaner floors. It is about a lifestyle where cleaning happens without you thinking about it. So let me know in the comments, are you sticking with manual power or are you ready to let a robot take over? If this breakdown helped you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Nexaro Tech for more deep dives into the technology shaping everyday life. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.